Kuzangpo and hello everyone. My name is Karna Bahadur and I am from Bhutan. Today is a privilege to invite all my international friends who are studying in a different college. Actually, we have come up with initiatives to hold the events in Soa University. So I wish and I hope all the international students studying at different colleges would join us and we'll have a good time and we'll learn from each other and explore the things in a better way.
Hello, Salam Alaikum, my international colleagues of Odisha. My name is Nur Dahir Ursame. I am from the Federal Republic of Somalia. Currently, I am studying International Institute of Information Technology, Bhubaneswar. And I'm so happy and I'm so delighted just to be a part of this big association or big family, which is the Federation of International Students of Odisha. And I can't wait to meet you guys at any time. Though we missed the event, which was on date 9 because of the restrictions of COVID that the state has imposed, and also the nationwide, the cases are increasing up. So, but still we have more ways that we can achieve and continue and proceed our endeavors and our goal is to make this association bigger. Because of the association, the achievement of this association actually will have effect on every international student in this state. Whether you are an active member of the organization or not, actually you have to feel proud. Whatever the organization is doing, we have to feel proud because of they represent the international student of Odisha. So let us all, as a big family of international students of Odisha, make this association and this organization achieve its goals. It will help those who will come future in Odisha, and it will help those who want to graduate. It will be a blessing actually. So let us keep in touch with each other during this hardship and during this difficulty, because of the reason that the organization was established, and always it is purpose is to keep the international students together and help each other, support each other, make the family of. Can't wait you guys to see you when the big event is about to come at any time in the future. But let us still be keep the moral and keep the courage. We don't want to lose the hope. That's it.
You to our international program. We can't wait for you to be there. It's going to be a blast. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Sibda Abdullah. I'm from the Republic of Chad. I'm pursuing computer science and engineering at Centurion University of Technology and Management. We are so excited and we can't wait to see you at the ISGT International Student Get Together at night at Soa University.
Yes.
Salam salam late nacho. I'm Tasfa Michael Tasfaye from CB Rahman Global University, marine engineering student from Ethiopia. Come and represent your country on January 9 on International Student Get Together.
Quinavule, my name is Grace Njai Akayombogo. I am from Namibia. I'm a student at KIT University. I hope to see you at the very first international gathering. See you.
Thank you.
This is Chuma Tembo from Zambia. I'm a student at KIT University.
Oh, nice. Where are you from?
I hope I meet and see everyone there.
Hello, fellow Ghanaians. I'm Esau Augustine from Ghana at KIIT. I'm doing BCA, and I would love every Ghanaian to come to this campus because it's really nice. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm from Tajikistan. My name is Mir Wise, and I'm studying at KIT University. And I'm waiting for all of you at international events. So, see you later. Love all of you. Bye-bye.
Sanbonani, I'm from KIT University. I study business administration and law, and I guess it's nice to meet you all. Right.
Hello, my name is Benjamin Kojo Itoga Junior, and I'm from the Republic of Liberia. It's going to be a very amazing time, and also my first time to be with this great federations of students of almost 22 countries, meeting them, getting to learn cultures, and also their cousins explaining to us in so many different ways. I am a student at Kit University studying Master of Arts in English Language. Thank you, and I'm very excited to be with you all.
Ayubowan, Wanakam, Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, I am Lafar from Sri Lanka. I am studying MBA in SOA University. I like to meet you in the event. We will meet at the event January 9th. Thank you very much. We will meet again.
Namaste, I'm Aroy Acharya from Nepal. Right now I'm studying in School of Pharmaceutical Sciences in SOA University. You are heartily welcome in this program and we hope we will be meeting soon.
Marhaba. My name is Ali. I'm from Syria. I'm studying B Pharmacy in SOA University.
Sunana Nafi Ishak Adamu. Ni dan Najeriya ni na zo karatu a CB Rahman Global University. So wannan occasion da za a yi na international student is very interesting for all of us. So can't wait to see you there. All of you can join.
Salama, I'm Kider from Syria. I'm studying BPharm in SOA University. I'm so glad to be part of this great event and to have all of you in ICGT event at night. Thank you.
This is Vishak. I come from Bangladesh. I am studying at CB Rahman Global University in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I am wishing everyone will be joining us. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Akash Sat from Nepal. I am pursuing BTech in Civil Engineering from CB Rahman Global University. I am from Nepal, which is also known as Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal.
Anyway, my name is Asteri Chrétien Nshimiyimana. I'm from Rwanda, studying in CB Rahman Global University in field of mechanical engineering. Thank you.
Good.
My name is Kana Kuria Churumuro and I'm from Uganda. I'm pursuing